This game is called Divided Up Puppies. It relates to the learning area mathematics through the strand number and algebra and the substrand number and place value. This game is aimed at years 4 to 5. The purpose of this game is for students to divide up biscuits or toys equally among puppies. In doing this, they'll use multiplication, division, remainders, and fractions. In our workspace, we can see it's divided up into 3 sections. The first one being the problem area, which has the problem listed, as well as an area for our answers. Coming down, we have an area labelled workspace, which has either biscuits or toys to divide among the puppies. And at the bottom, we have a selection of puppies, so clicking that changes the puppies at the bottom. The puppies here relate directly back to our problem, so in this case it would be 3. The problem we are being asked in this case is 14 biscuits divided equally among 3 puppies. So that would be 4. We then need to drag our biscuits into the column, so because we said 4 up the top, we need to drag 4 biscuits into the column. Click try, and it will evenly disperse the same amount of biscuits to the other puppies. Then we are asked how many biscuits are left over, which in this case is 2. So there are 2 biscuits left over. It's asking if we can cut these up, which I'm going to click yes because we can. In our problem area, we can see that our problem has been changed into a number sum, so the students can relate back to that for their mathematics. And in our workspace, we have our knife ready to cut, which will cut evenly and disperse to the puppies. We then have to answer a sentence. So the puppies have how many whole biscuits, which in this case is 4. And then we're going to use our fractions, which will be 2/3. Our problem is then changed into a number sum, including the fraction, so students can see that as well.